aren't you screaming? What is it?
I came.
Huh?
I came.
Who came? Who came?
I greet all of you.
No.
I called for this meeting because of the urgency. You know very well that since my late brother died, that things that were supposed to be done have not been done. And I feel that this is the right time for us to come together and plan how to do it. That's why I called for this meeting.
So, Uncle, this is why you called me. This is the reason I drove all the way from the city down to this village. For you to tell me this nonsense. Over what?
A man wakes up in the morning and decides to serve whatever deity and pledges his life to the deity. What concerns his children with that same deity?
Tony, this is what nobody can change. No one can change it. Your father promised Ogunabali that when he dies, his children, you and your siblings, will serve him. Your own children will serve him. That is from generation to generation, to the 4th generation. Get it right.
Uncle, can you hear yourself speak?
Yes.
No, you can't. How possible is it? A man wakes up in the morning, decides to worship whatever deity. It's none of our business. But you telling me that it will continue generations after generations, you lie. You lie, Uncle. I am not going to be part of it. I'm a businessman. I have things to take care of. I have responsibilities. Or whatever you call it is the least of my problem. You hear me? And if you don't have anything meaningful to say, Uncle, I have business. I have clients waiting for me in the city. Oh, Mama.
Tony, calm down. Let me tell you what you don't know. A promise is a debt. You hear me? And listen, when a child who knows he has no strength to fight, he doesn't go ahead to ask him what killed his father.
Uncle, that is because you still see me as a child.
Oh, I'm a full-grown man now. Ogunabali or whatever you call it is none of my business. And let me tell you something, Uncle. I am ready to fight it in spirit and in truth. Physically and spiritually.
Yes.
And the only reason you're still sitting here to talk back at me is because you're my uncle. Else, I would have walked you out.
You need to
One thing I need you to understand is that I'm out of here.
As
for me, this meeting is over.
Tony!
Drive carefully,
Mike,
drive safely.
I have said it here now. That's the height of your children, not the city. That Mike, you've been sitting here quietly without uttering a word. You could not even advise your own brother to even call him to order. Mike.
I thought to have something was able to say.
What?
Hey, Angela. What is it?
You could not talk to any of their sons. You couldn't talk to them to be reasonable. For once. You all kept them quiet, right? Hey! Have you heard it?
Yes, swimming.
What's in Ozokwor?
Go and take your medicine now. Go home and take your medicine.
Hey!
So that can bring you back on. Because if you are taking your medicine, your brain would have been okay. Go and take your drugs. Carry over and I'm going to Ogunaba come and do his work now. Eh? Also Ogunaba, give him Ogunaba. Hey! Oh!
Okay.
He's a son of his family.
Yokote. When a child puts on oversized clothes and thinks he has become an adult, don't worry. Watch him. When a wild wind comes, wild wind lifts the child and lifts the clothes all together. Yes. But they're walking and talking.
Are they? Do they know the implications?
That is actually a question. I don't think they know it. If they know. They wouldn't joke. Ogunabali is like a roaring lion. Anyone who provokes his anger has committed a crime against himself. If they know who Ogunabali is, because anyone who dares to Ogunabali is like a roaring lion. Step on the toes of Ogunabali. I'm sorry for that. For that person has already cried against himself. Elders, the council must get anything that is should be very, very hard. Harder! Very hard out! Because Ogunabali.
Very dangerous.
Babe, look at this. All these online stores can be really, really annoying. You order something from them now, when it gets to you, it will not be the exact thing you order. I mean, they just keep deceiving people. It's really annoying. Look at this now. Look at this beautiful dress.
I know, that's true, but not all of them.
Okay, how do you differentiate the real stores and the online? Babe, are you okay? Are you okay? What's the problem? What's wrong? Babe, hold on. What happened? You just walked out on me. What's going on?
Can you imagine that wizard that calls himself my uncle telling me that it is my turn to serve what? Ogunabali.
What?
Do you understand?
Babe!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Is your boss in?
Yes, he is.
Alright, just please tell me that boss is here.
Okay, definitely. Please sit, sir, while I go to let him
Alright.
go around.
Thank you.
Good day, sir. Your brother is around. Do I let him in?
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. He said you should come.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Tony, why is your face looking so melancholy? What's the problem?
They came again last night.
Who came?
Of course you know I love you too. Yes. Well, I haven't even eaten. I haven't even had anything to eat or chew today. Yeah, maybe when I get home, I'll just try and grab something really quick. Because I'm super exhausted. Oh no, I love you too, my baby. What is it, Lillian? It was just my boyfriend I was talking to. And you know what? You haven't even seen each other. That's the funny thing.
Lover girl, who asked you for explanation?
Whatever.
Baby girl, did you say you are in love and you've not met him before?
What's the big deal there? You have any problem with that?
How are you coping?
Am I the first? Or am I the last?
Minister of Current Affairs. Where did you hear it? It's everywhere now. Who hasn't heard it? Well, you're right. Hey! This is But my brother declined and told my uncle that he is a good Christian and cannot serve deity of any kind. So there is no cause for alarm.
Supported. Light and darkness have nothing to do. There is fun. I hope you go there. And then whether they call now. What do you mean? You and I know how strong and powerful Bunabali is.
Chelu, hold on. What are you trying to insinuate? That my brother should go and serve one deity? I can see you have nothing to say. I was supposed to forget.
I didn't mean to cheat. You always have your mouth spelling people. Now that she has you can keep gisting to yourself. What did you because
this one was seated alone. You know the part.
Angela, if I tell you that I have slept with this my 2 eyes closed since the last meeting, I can tell you.
Meeting? What about the meeting? What happened?
What do you mean by what about the meeting? Were you not there when our late husband brother said that my Tony, my son, is the next in line to serve the Bunabali deity?
Nkiru. Are you the one saying this? What is wrong with you? Why would you allow fear to take hold of you? The Bible said that He has not given us the spirit of fear, but of courage and of a sound mind. You know, never think, they create fear on yourself.
Angela, I know, but you and I know that Bunabali is a strong and a bad deity. No man will stand it.
Okay. Light and darkness has nothing in common. All we have to do is, as one family, is to just pray together always. The Bible says that all powers in heaven and on earth belongs to God. And there is no weapon formed against His children shall stand. I don't know why you always want to create fear in yourself. Don't allow the devil to put fear in you. Bikunu. By the way, why haven't you dressed up for the women's meeting in the church?
I don't feel like going. Not at all. Please, you can go. Rest in it.
You don't feel like going. You want to sit here and be thinking. Okay? Is that right? Stop thinking. Allow the devil to put fear in you. I've been telling you this. Light and darkness has nothing in common. Every time you leave yourself for the devil to be using you. I don't know. Anyway, I have to go. What is it? Shift it.
I saw my stepmother on my way to the church for women's meeting. I didn't go with her.
What's it? You don't look okay. How can I be okay? How can I be okay when my son's life is at stake?
I don't understand. Whose life is at stake?
You brother Duro. I don't. I have this bad flight I mean, I have a strong feeling that my son is not okay. I am not comfortable with this Omunaba thing. I am not. Why do you always panic over little things? You always allow the devil to plant the seed of fear in me. But Tony is deeply rooted in God. No harm will come to him. Not even the so-called Ogunaba. Ogunaba cannot do anything. Yes. Are you sure? Are you sure? Mama, I know the God we are serving. You don't have to worry. God is with us. And He will fight for us.
What kind of village people is that? I mean, is it by force to serve deity? Babe, I think you and your husband need to be very strong in prayers.
Babes, we pray. As a matter of fact, we pray every night.
It's fine. Everything will be fine. I need to go now. I need to catch up with my customers. That's your husband.
And make sure you catch a big fish. Because I cannot wait to come for your wedding.
I shall. Take care, babe. See ya.
Are you sure you don't want me to see you?
No, I'm fine.
Alright.
Bye.
It's okay, so I'll need to talk to you later, but meanwhile, please try and send that to my email, okay? Alright, take care. Alright.
You sent for me, sir?
Yes, I did. Do I have any meeting with the Board of Trustees today?
Yes, sir, you do. Memo has been sent to your email already.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Just tidy up this office for me, okay? I'll be back shortly. I need to attend to something.
Okay, definitely, sir. Alright, sir. Okay.